Beauregard Rippey, it's the third week of August. We're over at the Tri-State Gas Engine Show, Jay County Fairgrounds, Portland, Indiana. This is, guys, got the two bottom plows. We're just into the back section. This is kind of the section line road, I'll call it, the county line road. We're into the back. They have their poker faces on. There's some serious dealing over there. Someone's going to buy the plow. And the other guy, you ever know anyone that had 100 or 200 plows? Some people collect them, thinking they'll be worth some money someday, and other people cut them up for junk because they're heavy. Pretty nice vendor there. He's bought something. Looked pretty important. He's holding it like he had a new baby. Yeah. The Bell City lever cutter for tobacco or something. $45. I've seen the tobacco cutters, but I haven't seen them mounted onto the thing before, I guess. Is that what I'm seeing? We didn't have tobacco. It's a pretty plant. I've been tempted to grow it before. I was afraid I'd smoke. I didn't want to smoke it, so I didn't want to be tempted. Seeing a few of these. These they last. These, nice fans. Look at the row of the golf carts just getting a spot, and he has an enclosed trailer. Here's my friend. Yeah, they'll be over at West Liberty this weekend, or Labor Day weekend. His wife's over there. She's super nice people. A lot of useful products. And knowledgeable people. And they had customers, and I was like, why do you even bother going to Portland? Because there's like a zillion competitors. And I forget what the answer was, but the man knows his stuff. And her too. Everyone's selling stuff, you know, I mean. It's hard work. And then Wednesday through Saturday is what the show runs anymore. So this guy's into the maple syrup business some. A tinsmith, some metal flab coin. I don't know, is this a still? Special fuel tanks? I don't know. Got the machine to roll the stuff out. Brand new stuff. They offer free loading. If you buy one of them, they'll take it out to your car for you. So that was kind of quick. We're working our way back in the corner. Here's the Magneto guys. The Red Devil. Okay, that's a little grinder. It runs off water. A hydro-powered. He's from Massachusetts, Littleton, Massachusetts. There's some freeloading going on. This European-style bobcat, that's what I call them. Somebody's got a neat flag they like to play with. There's a couple guys over home that do that. It's nice. They get a lot of use out of it anymore. Patriots. There's always something going on. Somebody got him a new engine. But yeah, we're back in the corner. Yeah, beautiful drive coming over, and the crops look fantastic. Life's good. My new tires get just as good or better mileage as my old tires. I got a lot better ride. These are $250 a piece, something like that. Yeah, $250, $750 for the red one. Then I seen one here at $4,000 once. It was hanging on a wall. I couldn't tell one from the other. A 253 military, you think? Painted yellow. Sold. The gas station thing. I kick him back. He's tomato steaks. I mean, you just never. There's chicken wire here, beer kegs, milk crates, you name it at the Tri-State Gas Engine Association show, Portland, Indiana. Back in here's the construction. It got a little bigger and stuff, so I'm gonna make my way over to the sawmill somehow or another. Just getting here. Burgard Rippy, thanks for watching.